Hey, what's up everyone? This is Crown Jeep Dodge and Ram in Ventura, and today we're taking a look at a pre-owned 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport S Black Widow Edition. This car comes in a steam gray clear coat exterior color and a black cloth interior color, and it only has 286 miles on it. Equipped with a 3.6 liter 6-cylinder engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission, this car is a clean Carfax and equipped with a lot of cool features such as dual AC temp controls, 4x4 gears, remote keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, a Mopar satin black grille, a 3-piece removable hardtop, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and much more. Call, direct message us, or visit our website for pricing and more detail. Again, this is Crown Jeep Dodge and Ram in Ventura, and you just took a look at a pre-owned 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport S Black Widow Edition. Thank you so much and have a great day.